We're trying to create a culture and a campus community that's safe, secure, and a community whereby everybody is respected. And what's really important about Title IX is that students, faculty, and staff feel comfortable if they're walking down the quad, if they are walking off campus, if they're in the classroom, that they feel as though the environment is non-discriminating and that they feel that everybody is equitable and everybody's respected. So in 2011, the Dear Colleague letter came out, and the Dear Colleague letter was a guidance document which outlined for all colleges and universities the importance of education for everyone and making sure that we were addressing cases related to sexual misconduct, dating violence, domestic violence, stalking, and all aspects of sexual misconduct. If you are a professor, a faculty member, a staff member that works in facilities, and you are an employee of Augusta University, Title IX is here to protect you as well. And a case would be investigated and pursued, and a fact-finding would occur just as if a student was reporting something as well. A responsible employee is everybody at Augusta University, and that includes faculty, staff, administrators, anybody that is perceived by a student as an employee at the university. The individuals that are exempt from being obligatory reporters or mandatory reporters would be individuals that work in the Health Services Center or individuals that work in counseling and psychological services. Those two areas are confidential reporting areas where students can go and talk about the incident and discuss and get counseling and feel supported. So as an employee here at Augusta University, your responsibility is, if a student should come forward to you, ensuring that they understand that you're a responsible employee. And what that means is it could be an uncomfortable situation whereby a student's coming to you and you have to pause for a moment, and if you feel like they're going to tell you something that might be within the realm of a Title IX violation, such as sexual harassment, dating violence, or something along that line, you might want to guide them and say to the student before they come out with the information, if you want to report something in a confidential way, you could go to the Student Counseling and Psychological Services, or you could go to the Student Health Center and talk to an individual there in a confidential way. If the student is looking for guidance and want to know what resources are available on campus, or if they would like to file an official report related to sexual harassment, stalking, dating violence, or something along that line, what you'll want to do is refer them to me as the Title IX coordinator at Augusta University. Wherever the incident takes place, whether it be on campus, off campus, in the classroom, in the dining facility, anywhere at Augusta University. It could be that things could even happen overseas or study abroad. When an allegation is brought forward to Augusta University, it's very critical that we respond immediately, that we're making sure that a student is going to classes, if they're able to go to classes, and that we put mechanisms in place to support them immediately. If an employee is notified, the employee would bring it forth to myself as the Title IX coordinator. I would meet with the student or the staff member, and I would review the options for reporting for them. If a student decides to go criminally for an allegation or a case, that's a separate and apart investigation. So a student could essentially be going through a Title IX investigation and or proceeding, which is a civil proceeding, and they could also, if they opt to do so, be going through a criminal proceeding as well. One does not supersede the other, both can occur at the same time. And again, the Title IX coordinator, myself, as well as other resources on campus are here to help guide students or staff through that entire process, through both procedures.